লেখা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না?
না স্যার।
না
না
স্যার।
স্যার।
ও যে আলো করছে, ঠিক আছে আলো কিভাবে
এখন মনে হয় বেটার।
ব্যবস্থা করছি।
স্যার এদিকে একটু চার্জ দাও তো। এই এই হালকা তোমারে আমি কিছু বিদ্যুৎ চমকানো দেখাবো না, ইউটিউবে দেখো, ওগুলো তো মানুষ থাক। চার্জ দিয়ে আসো।
ঠিক আছে এখন
স্যার আপনি একটু আপনার মাইকটা একটু আনমিউট করেন। স্যার আপনার মাইকটা একটু আনমিউট করেন। স্যার আপনার মাইক আনমিউট হয় নাই। হ্যাঁ স্যার, এভাবে হচ্ছে।
এখন ঠিক আছে শুরু করব।
স্যার আপনি শুরু করেন স্যার।
স্যার দেখা যাচ্ছে না।
আচ্ছা শুরু করি, হ্যাঁ দেখা যাচ্ছে না?
না স্যার।
স্যার লেখা বোঝা যাচ্ছে না, বোর্ডের লেখা একদমই বোঝা যাচ্ছে না।
স্যার 2 মিনিট আগে একটু
মোবাইলটা
ক্লিয়ার
স্যার
হয়েছিল।
বোর্ডের কাছে নিলে ভালো হতো মনে হয়। হ্যাঁ
2 মিনিট আগে
স্যার
একটু ক্লিয়ার হয়েছিল।
স্যার আপনি মোবাইলটা তাহলে আরেকটু বোর্ডের কাছে নেন স্যার। আর একটু উপরে নিয়ে স্যার বোর্ডের কাছে নিলে ভালো হতো মনে হয়।
আগের থেকে বেটার স্যার। জি স্যার।
এখন মনে হচ্ছে যে মোটামুটি ভালোই অবস্থায় আছে। স্যার এভাবে কন্টিনিউ
চলবে।
করেন স্যার। হ্যাঁ
ওকে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ, সরি। তো স্টুডেন্টস, we are to find the area of the circular region represented by this equation. Putting y equal to 0, we get x square equal to r square, and or x equal to plus minus r. So in order to make it easier, let us draw the figure. Let us draw the figure x prime x, and this is y prime origin. This is the circle. So we know, we can say this circle, center of this circle is the origin, and radius r. The value of x equal to minus r. That is this point. That is coordinates of the point minus r. Coordinates of this point minus r 0, and coordinates this point is plus r 0. Plus r 0. Acha, this circle is homogeneous or symmetrical. You can say symmetrical. This circle is symmetrical about both the axes, because this part, 4 equal parts have been produced in the in 4 quadrants. 4 parts are equal. If we can find the area of one part, and if we multiply it by 4, then we can easily find the whole area of the circle. And this may be solved in 2 ways. If you put the limit minus r to plus r, it will be represented semicircular region. And if this semicircular region, if the limits are taken from minus r to plus r, and if the area of this semicircular region by 2, then you will get the whole area of this circle. And also, if we can find the area of the region lying in the first quadrant, and if it is multiplied by 4, then the area of the circular region is also found. So now, it's a question from you, that why we put y equal to 0 kind, because the formula is a to, we can use the formula integration from a to b fx. You can use this. This integration on a fx is to be integrated with respect to x, because dx lies here. Dx represents integration with respect to x. So these two limits are the values of x. So we have to find the values of x. In order to find the values of x, I am to put y equal to 0. Why? Y denotes ordinate of a point. In the x-axis, ordinate of any point is 0. So I have put y equal to 0. You can also find the area of this circular region by putting x equal to 0. X equal to 0. Then you are to put fy dy. Then you are to apply this formula, integration f to p from integration f to p fy dy. Then you are to put x equal to 0 in order to find the values of y. And that formula can also be applied to solve this problem. There are many ways to find the area of this circular. There are many ways. So I am going to use only one way, only one formula. Students, area. Ekhane, if we draw a straight line, this straight line can be represented by x equal to r, and the line x equal to r is parallel to the y-axis. In the first quadrant, the bounded region in the first quadrant lies between, this is y-axis, and the equation of y-axis is x equal to 0, and this part lies on the x-axis. This can also be told x-axis. This bounded region is produced by the lines x equal to 0 as well as y-axis x equal to r, and part of the circle and x-axis. Do you understand, students? Okay, fine. Now I am going to find the area of this region, of this bounded region. So the area of the required circular region region equal to integration 0 to r. Upper limit r, lower limit 0. And x equal to 0 to r. This bounded region lies between x equal to 0 and x equal to r. So like the lower limit 0, upper limit r, এখানে হবে fx dx, এখানে fx হওয়ার কথা, কিন্তু fx মানে কি? fx means y. fx means y. 1 implies y equal to
স্যার একটা প্রশ্ন ছিল স্যার
কি?
স্যার ওই যে আমাদের x is equal to r প্যারালাল লাইনটা, আমাদের যে x is equal to r প্যারালাল লাইনটা, ওইটা তো ফোর্থ কোয়াড্রেন্টের সার্কেলের পার্টটাকেও কভার করতেছে, তাহলে কি ওইটা থেকে মানে ফোর্থ কোয়াড্রেন্টের সার্কেলের পার্টটার এরিয়া হবে
this point মানে every abscissa of every point lying on this circle, lying on this line, abscissa of every point lying on this straight line is r. So we can say, okay, thank you. 1 implies y equal to plus minus root r square minus x square. Fx integration fx dx, fx can be represented by y, fx can be substituted by y. We can write y, that is y, we can write y dx, y এর ভ্যালু কি বসে, if we put the value of y, তাহলে এখানে স্কয়ার রুট অফ r স্কয়ার মাইনাস x square dx. We have put value of y. Here is a question. Why positive value of y is used here? There is a question. Why negative value is not put here? Because this part of the circle lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant what does y represent? Y represent ordinate of a point. তাহলে every ordinate মানে ordinate of every point on this segment must be positive, because this portion lies in the first quadrant, and in the first quadrant or all ordinates, all ordinates are positive. So I have taken positive value of y. Do you understand? Okay. Friends, here is a rule, r square minus x square, the rule. আর আচ্ছা এটা হলো এটার এরিয়া, তো এখানে এরকম 4, there are 4 parts here, 4 এখানে মাল্টিপ্লাই করতে হবে 4, এই রেজাল্টটা শুধু এটার এরিয়া, এই ফার্স্ট কোয়াড্রেন্টের যে বাউন্ডেড এরিয়া আছে তার এরিয়া রিপ্রেজেন্ট করে। Like in order to find 4 parts, we have to multiply this result by 4. So this is to be multiplied by 4. এটাও 4 তে মাল্টিপ্লাই হবে, তাহলে 4 that is a formula. Its formula is x into r square minus x square by 2 plus r square by 2 sine inverse of x by r, 0 to r. X into square root of r square minus x square by 2 plus r square by 2 sine inverse of x by r. This one. So let us put x equal to r. If we put x equal to r, this will be 0 and this will also be 0, because if we put if we put x equal to r, তাহলে এখানে r square by 2 sin inverse of r by r, that is sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1, if we put x equal to 0, এখানে minus, if we put x equal to 0, this will be 0 and this will also be 0, because 0 by r, 0 sin inverse of 0, 0, that is 0 minus 0. This result is found, and we can write 4 into r squared by 2 sine inverse of 1. This can be written pi by 2. Sine inverse of 1 equal to pi by 2. 4 cancel, equal to pi r square units. Do you understand, students? If the radius of a circle is r, what is the formula of the area of that circle? Pi r square. We all know this. Pi r square. This is the required result. So let us solve another problem. Let us solve another problem. Friends, number 5. Find the area enclosed by the parabola y square equal to 4x and the line y equal to x. Parabola is a curve, that is, the shape of a parabola is such. This is a parabola, this is a parabola, this is a parabola, this is also a parabola. The shape of a parabola is such. Because we are to find the area of the bounded region enclosed by the given parabola and the line y equal to x. So let us solve this. Number 5. 10.7. Sorry. Y square equal to 4x. Y square equal to 4x. Number 1, which implies y equal to plus minus 2 root x. Y equal to x. This is 2. Let us draw the figure. Y square to 4x. Dear students, you will learn more about parabola in second paper. Y prime. This is x prime x and origin. If the equations of parabola is if the power of y is 2 and power of x is 1, then the parabola will be symmetrical about x-axis. This parabola, because here the values of y may be positive or negative. Ordinates of all points lying on this parabola may be positive or negative. In the first quadrant, ordinates of all points are positive, and in the fourth quadrant, ordinates of all points are negative. So this represents the values of y may be positive or negative, but FCC of all points, FCC of all points lying on this parabola, either 0 or positive, cannot be negative, because the positive direction of x-axis is inside the parabola. No part of the parabola lying in the negative direction of x-axis. So here the values of x may be 0 or positive. It cannot be negative, because if you put the negative value of x, it will be undefined. So position of the parabola will be in such way. Y equal to x. This is as like as y equal to mx. Y equal to mx. Y equal to mx represents a straight line passing through the origin. Passing through the origin. Passing through the origin, আমি যদি straight line টা draw করি এরকম, this is a straight line passing through the origin. So we can this parabola is number 1 and this straight line is number 2. We are to find the area of this bounded region. We are to find the area of this bounded region. Firstly, the value of x in the origin is 0. This is x equal to 0. That is lower limit is 0. We have to find upper limit. Upper limit, we have to find the coordinates of this point. Putting y equal to x, when y equal to x, then 1 implies x square equal to 4x, which implies x equal to 0 or 4. I have solved it shortly. X equal to 0 or 4. This point is 4, 4, and if we draw a straight line parallel to the y-axis, the equation of it will be x equal to 4, because FCSA of every point lying on this straight line is 4. So we can say the equation of this line is x equal to 4, and this line is parallel to the y-axis. This bounded region lying lies between x equal to 0, x equal to 4. That is, this bounded region is produced by x equal to 0, x equal to 4, x-axis, and the parabola, and also the line y equal to x. The required students be quick, because it may come rain. The required area of the bounded region. Bounded region of the bounded region equal to এটা কি হবে দেখো আগে ইন্টিগ্রেশন 0 to 4 y dx ওই কার্ভ থেকে আমরা নেব from the equation of the curve সেটা 2 root x value of y is 2 root x dx minus integration 0 to 4 y মানে x dx. Friends, it's a question why 0 to 4 x dx is subtracted from it because the parabola makes the region with x equal to 4 x axis is this and whole this bounded region is represented by this y minus this straight line, that is y equal to x x axis x equal to 4. This triangular region is represented by 0 to 4 x dx. So if we subtract smaller part, that is triangular region, from greater part, then we will get the required, that is our expected region. Let us solve it. Let us solve it. Equal to 2 root x x to the power half, that is x to the power half plus 1 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 limit 0 to 4 minus x square by 2 0 to 4 equal to 2 by 3 4 by 3 4 to the power 3 by 2 4 to the power 3 by 2 minus 0 minus half 4 square minus 0 equal to 4 by 3 into 2 to the power 2 8 minus 8. That's 4 into 4 68 equal to 32 by 3 minus 8 equal to 3 into 8 24 or 8 by 3 square units. Do you understand any question of it? Dear students, have you any question related to this problem? Any problem? Hello, any problem?
No, sir. Network problem.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Understood.
Okay. Thank you. The sky is cloudy.
Yes, sir. It's raining in Sheketech.
Okay, let us finish my class. So,
Thank you, sir.
thank you, dear students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Please
Yes, sir.
be well and stay safe. Many thanks. See you again.
Thank you, sir.
Many thanks. Now, students, homework. Your examination is going on, so I am not interested to give you any homeworks, but here are some home practice. You must practice the all problems in the exercise 10.7. If
Okay,
you
sir. Okay.
okay, okay,
Okay. Okay.
thank you so much.
Okay, sir.
That's for today.